What's up, y'all? I'm Shannon Brielle. You can call me Shan, and welcome back to Shan's Shenanigans. Hey! So you might notice something different. I moved! The background is different. This isn't my house in Austin, Texas. This is my apartment in Korea. I moved to South Korea. How many months ago has it been now? I officially moved here in February, but I've actually been in Asia since January 19th, 2020. I spent about a month traveling and just like seeing the world and visiting family and doing stuff like that. And then on February 18th, 2020, I flew to Korea finally and started my journey here. Yay! If you're a person that's aware of anything that's happening in the world right now, you probably heard that timeline and you're probably like, oh, that's interesting. So you've literally been there the entire time that this sort of pandemic has been happening. And yeah, it definitely was an interesting like first 2 months being away from home. The day that I landed in Asia was like the early sort of whisperings of this pandemic, from friends and family saying like, oh, something's going on in Asia, like y'all need to be careful. And the day that I landed in South Korea was the day that it sort of blew up here. And I actually live in Daegu, which was the epicenter of South Korea's outbreak. So it's been a wild ride. I spent the first 6 weeks of living in Korea in quarantine. So I really only saw this apartment for the first few weeks that I lived here. And so today I wanted to share with you my little apartment tour because it has definitely been obviously my home this whole time that I've been here, but it's been like one of the most comforting things is to have like at least a place that I can call my home, because the first month that I was in Asia, I was, living in and out of hotels and Airbnbs, and, I was at my brother's house and things like that. And so I didn't really have my own home. And there were times that I was, really, really sad because I was also dealing with just this pandemic and not being able to really do anything and sort of being stuck by myself for a while. But now that I at least have this home, this place, that is mine, I'm at least given that comfort. So so I'd like to share it with y'all, and let's go. Okay, so before we get started with like the full tour, here is just an overall look of what my entire little 1-bedroom setup looks like. So this is it from the other side, and soon enough you'll see what's behind like all of the little doors, although I'm sure you can guess what amenities you need in a typical house. But first up, like most Korean apartments, I have a little key thing. So you just put in the key code and then that's how you get into your house. You don't have a physical key. So here are my shoes. This is my entryway. Let's look in the shoe closet. This is where people put their shoes. I have junk in here because it's just stuff I don't want to look at, and also stuff that the teachers who lived here before me just left. So like bug killing things because it gets gross here in the summer. And some shopping bags, and then some like extra sheets and blankets, just stuff that I don't need in my main living area all the time. Also, they left like books, like Korean books and journals and things. So I don't know, some of the stuff is actually useful. But yeah, and then also some garbage that I hid in there because I didn't want to show you, but I ended up showing you anyway. So let's go inside my house now. All right, so first take off your shoes because this is Asia, and also because my floors, I'd like to keep them clean. Close the door because I like to feel separated from the outside world when I enter my house. Also, the light in my entryway is automatic, but apparently it doesn't want to turn off yet. Turn off, please. Oh, there it goes. Okay, cool. So turned off. Yep, it's automatic. Yay. This is like the table that I eat at it originally was the table underneath the television, but I did not like it for that functionality. I thought it was stupid. So I bought a bookshelf instead, and the TV sits on top of this bookshelf now, and I can use the table to eat. Yeah, I bought it with my own monies because I saved up like a bunch of money before I came here just so I could buy furniture and live in a house that I like. This is my little picture wall. Really important if you're gonna move here, bring pictures of your family just so that you can look at them every day. And also that was a handkerchief that my friend made me by hand. You know, more pictures, my brother, stuff. This is GOT7. Obviously, I literally brought this poster from America. I love it so much, so I had to bring it. Yep, that's who I am. I also brought like all of this other GOT7 stuff, and then this is my basket of blankets. It's very important that I have it. What am I saying? Anyways, here this is my cat, who I love very much. He lives with my parents in America now. They're not happy, but he's happy, and that's what matters. And then, yeah, this is my little GOT7 area. And this is my bed that I love. It's a queen size bed. This is my first time having a queen size bed in my entire life, and I got it provided for me in a foreign country, which is great. This is all the pillows and things that I brought from America. And then this is the window that's by my bed that I love very much, but you're not going to see outside of it because I don't want y'all to know where I live. Oh, whoop. Moving on. This is my vanity. Originally it was just a desk that they also provided for me. Hi, hello. They provided the desk, but I just turned it into a vanity because I've always wanted one, so I did it. Air conditioner, very important. This is a fan left here by the people who lived here before me. This is my Sailor Moon poster that I brought from the US and my Mickey ears from Tokyo. That's the phone that I let delivery people in with. These are my closets. So very important. Lots of storage. I'm so happy I have this much storage in here. It was literally one of the 3 things that I wanted when moving to Korea was storage to put my stuff. I bought these drawers for myself because I didn't want my pajamas and my jeans and stuff just laying everywhere. Also, I put my jeans in the drawer. Do not judge me for putting my jeans in the drawer. Like, this is how I live, okay? This is my closet. These are my clothes. Love having a closet and clothes. And then I also have the second side of closet, this second closet, whatever, as well, for my casual clothes and for my vacuum cleaner, which was left here by the people who lived here before me also. So thank you for that, because it's a lifesaver, and also a bunch of toilet paper. You can't buy small packages of toilet paper here. It's my suitcase full of winter clothes right now. And this is my mirror that I also bought for myself when I got here, because I'm huge on storage. So it has a cabinet inside so I can put my stuff. And of course, more GOT7 stuff is in every corner of this house. Just some vitamins, like a thermometer, my masks and like beanies and stuff. And this is pictures from when I went to Taiwan with my friends right before I came to Korea. And also, look, there's another drawer because, again, I love storage. I need places to put my crap, okay? This is my little memorabilia, area/earring holder. Just some postcards from Taiwan and from the Studio Ghibli Museum. A ticket from Taipei 101. And then these are my masks. Very important to have masks these days. Wear a mask. If y'all are not wearing masks, I swear to God, if y'all subscribe to me and you don't wear a mask, you just need to unsubscribe. This is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. And there's lights on. It's a wet bath, so you have to put your little shower shoes on every single time you come inside because the shower is the entire bathroom. This is me. Hello. Yep, and that's a mirror. You know how bathrooms work. There are sinks and stuff. This is the only window that you will be allowed to see outside of because you can't see anything. And yeah, that's me today. Hi, everybody. Okay, and these are my cabinets. I don't like that they are see-through, but whatever. Okay, so welcome to my kitchen. This is my washing machine. Above it is where I hang my clothes to dry. You can sort of see the clothesline to the left. This is my fridge. It's not super tall, but not a mini fridge either, as you can see. It's big enough for me. I'm only one person, so. And then this is my other large window that has a really beautiful view that you're not allowed to see. This is my stove, and I have some cabinets underneath the sink and underneath the stove, and then above the sink as well. So a decent amount of cabinet space. Like, I'm only one person and I don't need to have that much food at once. Like, I really don't have that much food. I just grocery shop weekly, so it's okay. I have bowls and plates and stuff that people who lived before me left as well. And then also we're going to cover up, that's the fruit fly trap, just ignore it. And then I have a microwave also that they left. And that is my apartment, yay! Thank y'all so much for watching. As far as the future of this channel goes, I still want to keep making content for y'all. Still gonna, you know, if GOT7 does stuff, obviously I'll talk about them. But really, I don't know, like, I don't know if people want to hear me talk about music, people want to hear me make music, people want to see what Daegu is like. I'm probably going to do a lot of Daegu vlogging, just because there's not a lot of content for it, I feel like, on YouTube. So we'll probably just show you around Daegu a bit. But also, I feel a little bit guilty going outside and exploring Daegu because there is a pandemic going on. But if I do so, you'll see me in my mask. So that's that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to like, share, and subscribe. If you can like, share, and subscribe, that'd be great. I hope this video made you happy today. I hope it made you smile even just a little bit. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!